Assalamualaikum everyone, hopefully all of you are doing great. In this video, I will show you how to turn raw FMCG sales data into a clear and powerful dashboard using Sparklines with high and low points. Here we have territory sales data for Q1 2026. We are tracking multiple salesperson across FMCG product categories over 3 months. But right now this is just numbers, and when your data grows, it becomes harder to quickly understand what's going on, who is performing well, who is declining, and who is the top salesperson. It's not easy to see just by looking at rows and columns. That's where Sparkline come in. Sparkline is a small chart inside a cell that shows trends instantly using a simple line. It helps you visualize performance without creating full charts. Let's create it in Excel. First select the sales data from January to March, then go to the Insert tab, click on Sparklines and shows line or column chart. Next select the column where you want to the Sparklines to appear and click OK. And just like that your data becomes visual. Now let's make it even more powerful. Go to the Sparkline Tools Design tab and enable high point and low points marker. You can clearly see peaks and drops in performance. This is the real power of Excel. Instead of analyzing numbers manually, you can understand performance in seconds. Top performance stand out instantly and weak areas become visible right away. And that's how you can use Sparkline with high and low markers to build a simple and powerful sales dashboard in Excel. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Allah Hafiz.